Tired of attendees zoning out in your webinars? What if I told you there's a platform where people actually want to participate? Meet GoBrunch, the tool that turns boring meetings into engaging experiences. And the best part? It's a one-time payment. Let's face it, Zoom fatigue is real. People mute themselves, turn off cameras, and secretly check emails. And most platforms charge monthly just to watch your audience snooze. GoBrunch is like a virtual theme park for your events. Host interactive webinars where attendees pick their own seats like real life. Join breakout rooms with one click, react with emojis, polls, and signs, and you control everything from one dashboard. Drag and drop rooms. No more, can you guys hear me? Live slides, YouTube videos. Keep eyes on your content. Detailed analytics. See who actually paid attention. Even the I'll just watch the recording crowd can't hide here. GoBrunch gives you lifetime access for a single payment. This deal won't last. Click the link now before it's gone. Ready to make your webinars unforgettable? Grab GoBrunch today, link in description. Smash that like button if you're over boring meetings, and subscribe for more game-changing tools.